Tired of individually updating all your Windows applications? Today, we're going to show you how to update all your apps with just one command using Windows Package Manager or winget. The key to this efficiency is winget. This tool is built right into modern Windows versions and is your gateway to managing applications directly from the command prompt. Winget, or the Windows Package Manager, lets you update most of your third-party software and Microsoft Store apps quickly and easily through the command line. Using winget saves you a significant amount of time by centralizing the update process, ensuring you always have the latest, most secure versions of your software. The first step is crucial. You need to open the command prompt with administrator privileges. Press the Windows key, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator to open it with the necessary permissions. You can also perform these steps using Windows Terminal or PowerShell. The winget command syntax remains the same across these different command line environments. Before updating everything, you might want to see which applications have available updates. Type winget upgrade and press Enter. This is the command to check for available updates. This command will quickly generate a list of all installed applications for which a newer version is available through the winget repository. Ready to update all your applications at once? Here's the magic command. The core command is winget upgrade all. Type this and press Enter to start the mass update process. Windows will now take over, downloading and installing the latest versions of your applications automatically and sequentially. Here are a few quick tips and troubleshooting notes to ensure a smooth updating process. If it's your first time using winget, you might be prompted to agree to source license terms. Simply type Y and press Enter to proceed. If some applications fail or show unknown versions, use winget upgrade all include unknown to force the update attempt. For open web browsers like Chrome or Edge, you must manually close and restart them for the updates to be fully applied. To avoid constant pop-ups from installers, use the silent mode command. Winget upgrade all silent. Remember to run CMD as an administrator for this to work without prompts. You now have the power to keep your system up to date with minimal effort, thanks to winget. Just remember the key takeaway. Winget upgrade all is the single command you need to manage your Windows software updates efficiently. This method simplifies your digital life, ensuring security and the latest features without the time-consuming manual effort.